A premise of public health is that we are all connected and interdependent in many, many ways. People we are acquainted with, as well as perfect strangers, affect us, and we in turn affect them. Think, for example, about how we share infection both near and far, then about local and global efforts to contain the flu, measles, HIV/AIDS, and Ebola. Think about the carbon dioxide fumes we emit from our cars and industries, how they have contributed to asthma as well as global climate change, portending large-scale disaster, and what we as a society are doing to mitigate these problems. Think about how our built environment and transportation systems have made it convenient for us to burn gas but not calories, enabling a widespread obesity epidemic, and what efforts we're making on many levels to change both the built environment and people's food and exercise habits. And finally, reflect on how our prejudices and intolerance along lines of race, ethnicity, religion, politics, gender, and disability have caused incidents of cyberbullying, suicide, homicide, arson, and even acts of terror. And think about what education, training, and legal strategies we have collectively mounted to rein in intolerance. All of us as a society have a stake in and are responsible for assuring our collective health and safety. We do this in an organized way, through government and through private and voluntary organizations. We also do this as individuals through our everyday habits and deliberate actions. While all of health and public health begins with our individual beliefs, attitudes, and actions, as well as our personal biology, the public's health is synergistically influenced by overlapping communities of people: family and friends, school, church, and workplace, town or city in which we live, our state, country, our world. Because so many connecting and interdependent factors influence our health, the World Health Organization defines health not simply as physical well-being, but as mental and social well-being as well. In public health, the patient is all of us, the whole population, our communities, the public square. Its concern is for the physical, mental, and social well-being of all of us.